Howdy everybody, Cowboy Carter back at it again with another banger, man. Today is the day that I take off the headers. It is crazy because this is a first mod I bought for this car and I'm parting it out. So I'm going to the shop right now to swap my exhaust with somebody else. This is gonna be the last of all of us hearing this obnoxious beast I have, y'all. I'm surely gonna miss it. Like the chop, it's gonna sound completely different without the headers and the catalyst mid pipes, guys. It's just gonna be the stock manifolds, and the only thing it's gonna have is a straight pipe. I don't know, man, we'll see how it sounds, but thank y'all for all watching my videos. I appreciate the support. If you're new, make sure to subscribe. All right, y'all, I'm pulling into the shop now. About to take off this bitch right now. There he is.
What's happening, man?
How you doing, brother?
Yeah, I'm good.
Sorry I'm a bit late.
Totally stock, man. I just had that air intake.
Oh, okay. So this is the guy that's trying to buy it, y'all, the headers. Oh, it's so quiet. Damn.
Prius, man.
All right, guys. The headers were trying to charge too much, so I mean, we're going a different route. This guy is actually interested in driving my car. I'm in a completely stock one right now. Y'all can't even hear it. Yo, it's been a minute since I've vlogged on this phone, man. Honestly, I think this quality is way better than the GoPro to film on anyways. My camera died like always, so I guess I'll be talking to you on the phone for now. So the guy that was gonna buy my headers actually wanted to buy my car. When we went to swap our headers out, they were trying to charge us way too much, yo. I wasn't even gonna make any money selling my headers. It's honestly a bitch to take them off and put on some new ones, so I'm just gonna decide to keep them on the car, to be honest. My phone was blowing up like crazy with all y'all hitting me up for them, man. I literally couldn't even read all the messages. That was crazy. I sold the cold air intake in like a second. This is the stock box, y'all. Look how funny it looks without the leg maker on. Y'all haven't seen my new wrap reveal on our Camaro SS. Y'all go check out my last video, man. The wrap came out crazy. Like, damn, I'm proud of myself. That was like my first big wrap I did. You know, I've been practicing for a long time now. If y'all haven't checked out my video, check out my last video. You know, I started up my own business. Y'all hit me up for any wrap y'all need done to y'all's cars. I got y'all, man. Hit me up. I'll drop my Instagram right here. Y'all hit me up for whatever y'all need done. And I think we're about to hit 1K on my main page, so thank y'all for that. All right, everybody, this is what y'all clicked on the video for. So I know a lot of y'all have SRT8s and wonder, how do I keep up with these newer and faster cars? In today's video, your boy will be explaining that. If you're new to my videos, it's pretty much just full bolt-on, heads, cam, headers, all that. So let's go ahead and talk about that, because this is honestly one of the most asked questions I get, so I guess I'll address it now. If you're gonna want your SRT8 to be faster and you don't want to spend that money, the first thing I would start off by doing is porting the throttle body right here and the intake. You can probably get both of those done for about $500, and the gains I would say you would get from that would be at least 20 horsepower. You know, the throttle body, what that does, it's more like instant throttle response. That's what that'll do for you. Those are honestly the first two mods I would do, and those are actually the first mods I did to our Camaro. With those mods, you probably won't be close to a newer car, but with this next mod, it will definitely help out a lot. Honestly, headers is probably like the best mod in my opinion on a lot of cars. The brand I have is definitely expensive. I bought them brand new for about $1,500, headers and catalyst mid pipes. If you guys don't want to spend that much, y'all can easily get some like eBay headers or buy some used ones for I'd say like less than $600, and that will get you about 15 horsepower and 15 torque right there. If you guys don't want to go all out buying some brand new ones, like I said, you guys can find some cheap ones that will work. If you're gonna get headers, make sure this is the next thing y'all need, is to get a tune. You have to get your car tuned, guys. If you run headers and don't have a tune with the headers on, it's literally pointless, y'all. Y'all have to get a tune for them. Finding a tuner might be difficult, you know. Y'all talk to y'all's friends, see who is good at tuning. It's all up to you who you want to tune your car, but that's definitely the first couple mods I would recommend doing. Ported intake and throttle body, headers, tune. As you guys know, or if you didn't know, these cars make about 360 to the wheels. Obviously, they have 420 horsepower, but when you get this car dynoed, it will make pretty much close to 360 to the wheels, right? Scatpacks, I think, are like 420, some shit like that to the wheels, 410. Camaros and Mustangs are similar. If you guys want to keep up with any three of those newer cars, I would definitely recommend these mods. With these mods, if you guys just did this to your SRT8, I'd say you guys would be between 400 and 420 wheel and torque. You guys have some good tires. Y'all will hurt some feelings, y'all. If y'all go back to my old videos, this car just had headers, tune, ported intake, and a cam, but my cam wasn't making much power because I didn't have the heads ported. And also at the time I had drag radials, and I was literally beating everything I raced. So guys, if you want to make your SRT8 faster, you could do these mods. The price I would say for all those mods, headers, tune, and the ported, I'd say you could do all that for $1,500, guys. I am not kidding. That is like 50 horsepower for $1,500. That is crazy. I think I talked about everything, guys. If you guys have any questions, I think I went over everything. Just go ahead and drop them comments. This beast is up for sale now again. Once again, she's up for sale. If y'all want to buy it, hit me up or whatever. Y'all, this is probably maybe one of the last drives in my car. I figured I'd pick up the camera and record for y'all. Oh my, it's so loud today. I actually set off a car alarm when we were leaving. Hold on, beat this. Just a little something. Jesus Christ. Oh my. Oh my. It is popping like, of course it stops when I start recording. It is backfiring like crazy. Jeez, why is it so loud? Yo, this might be one of the last cold starts on the car. Yeah. Huh? Nah. Alright, y'all, ran into this little CTSV. I'm gonna try to get a run for y'all. Ran into this CTSV, y'all. I'm gonna try to get a run for y'all. I don't know. We'll see what happens. You think I'm gonna get gapped?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, I will get gapped because I'm gonna have this motherfucker in the seat with me, adding all that weight with his fat ass. But yeah, guys, I just talked to the owner. I'm gonna try to see if I can get y'all a run set up with this V.
I got my money on this guy.
We'll see if he actually wants to race me. But yeah, I mean, he said it's stock, so we'll see what happens. This is it, y'all. It has hella low miles too, is what he told me. The guy with the V wanted me to pull up and show him what's done to it. I think he doesn't want the smoke, y'all. I don't know, we'll see. Got a little Mac 1 there, Mach 1, whatever you call it.